No, I'm strictly an iPhone user and will always be an iPhone user. Thank you.
No,
Why not?
because I don't like Samsung.
Okay.
I'm an iPhone person.
Interesting. Well, Microsoft has made handsets in the past with their operating system, which is pretty clean and nice. And you said this was with Samsung and
Microsoft, yeah.
okay. Right now, it depends on which operating system it's running. Right now, I'm really into Android because of the flexibility. But I do like the openness of Windows also. I'm not the biggest Apple fan because I do a lot of my work from my phone. I don't think Apple is very productive in terms of that. So if Microsoft can get something in the market, that can cater to that.
Sure. I think any new technology is worth trying out to see if it works and how it can be applicable to our lives, especially with the walkie-talkie technology and potentially being able to use that in other facets of our lives if we're doing, different activities that could, benefit from having the walkie-talkie use.
I would try the new Mix brand smartphone because I'm always one for new technology, and sometimes mixing two different brands together can get pretty good results.
My answer was no, for no other reason other than personal preference, and I was definitely turned off by the price. It just wasn't interesting overall.
I voted yes because I think it's very innovated, and I think it's gonna be in the future very smart, so that's why I would like to use it.
Most smartphones today barely can be told one from the other, so a merger of these two giants will produce a good smartphone. I have no doubt of it.
I think it's a very interesting idea, and I would definitely try it, especially for the price that it's being listed at. I don't see any reason not to.
I'm very open-minded when it comes to new technology, new ways of communicating. So I would definitely try out the new smartphone. I know it mentioned something about the walkie-talkie feature. I think it would be cool.
I love the two companies that are willing to merge their ideas and make new creations. I would consider trying. Although taking into consideration, I don't believe I would ever stray away from my Apple iPhone. I would definitely take the time to try it, put in my feedback and definitely know what it's all about. But I probably would not keep it as my main forever phone.